I might have made a few mistakes in this garden already. Let's go look. Did I plant my shelling peas too shallow, or is this normal? I buried them, but they're popping up like the watering washed the dirt away. Oh, I think it's the roots are growing and pushing them up, because I see stems above the peas. I tried planting tomato seeds in jugs outdoors to protect them, but failed to pack dirt around the outside for insulation or cover them at night. Looks like they got too cold and didn't grow. I tried planting lots of old seeds indoors, but only one of them grew, and I accidentally lost it when I stirred up the dirt looking for buried sprouts. But at least I can reuse this potting soil when I plant more seeds in late spring after the frost. I dug 7 holes in my lawn to place a row of Jerusalem artichokes. Was this a mistake? If I don't dig them up every year, they'll keep spreading into my yard. There's maintenance required, but I think it might look nice along the walkway. I wanted to transplant my peonies so they don't shade the garden, but they won't bloom this year if I do. The best time to thin them is in the fall after they're done growing and have energy stored in the roots. They're sensitive to disturbance. The chives, however, can be thinned in spring or fall because they grow from bulbs and are not sensitive to disturbance. My elephant grass started well indoors, but can't go outside unless it's over 45 degrees Fahrenheit because leaf damage could occur at 40 degrees or less. But I need to gradually expose it to direct sunlight to make it hardy before it can handle an entire day outside. Looks like the wild cabbage survived the winter. My mother gave them to me last year, and I didn't know where to put them, so I just dug out some grass and put them in this rocky spot, but they did well. She gave me a couple flower tubers or corms or rhizomes or bulbs, I don't know what, some red thing, that I just stuck in the top of the sod pile around the garden. Hope they come up. Radishes are first up in this patch. Beets should be next, then carrots. Once everything is up, I'll add some onion seedlings in between the thinned carrots. Let's check the skirret. Nothing yet. Cover crops are visible. Later in the year, I'll be planting tomatoes on one side and planting 3 sisters on the other side with super tall dent corn, chili beans, and winter squash. Let's take a look at the rhubarb before we end the video. Thanks for watching.